Dr. Karishma Ahuja. Let's talk about law of attraction for your loved ones. If there is somebody in your home, in your family that is unwell and you would like to use the law of attraction for that person, here's something that we can do. Form a picture in your mind of your loved one. But remember, in your picture, in your mind, see the loved one as well. Visualize him or her in perfect health. Picture them as filled with love and cheerfulness. You can even see them saying something really funny to you, and all of you having a good jolly time together. Let the picture of their health sink into your own subconscious mind. And this powerful part of your mind, which is the subconscious, will send forth from you radiant, healing energy to that person. Remember, faith controls your subconscious, and your subconscious mind gives back only that which you feel and believe. So, keep your thought about your loved one very positive, and you will get to see some really good, positive and healing results. Thank you. God bless.